Hello viewers, are you experiencing Snapchat camera director mode option not showing problem? Probably this problem is happening due to app glitch or server down issue. You can fix this problem by following some steps. So let's see the steps. First of all, update your Snapchat apps. So go to Play Store and then click on Search app. Search for Snapchat. From here, update your Snapchat apps in latest version. If you cannot see Snapchat app update option, then click on three dot icon and keep enable Snapchat app auto update and then go back to home screen. Now go to settings option and then go to apps or apps management option. Now find Snapchat apps from the app list. Click on Snapchat apps and then go to storage option. Now only clear cache your Snapchat storage. Go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then power off on your device. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.